The all-new Hyundai Veracruz 2025, captured by 16K camera, scene market, a Hyundai against a Lexus. It's certainly a gamble, but it's paying off for Hyundai's new Veracruz. Sales of the most expensive version of the premium crossover have far exceeded Hyundai's expectations. We underestimated demand for the premium trim level on the Veracruz, said John Krafcik, product development chief for Hyundai North America, in an interview with Reuters. Since the April launch, Hyundai moved just over 1,900 examples of the Veracruz. Although there currently are no sales targets, Krafcik claimed Hyundai was on track to sell as many as 1,500 units in June. The Veracruz, aimed at the Lexus RX 350, is part of Hyundai's bid to be seen by consumers as more than a discount carmaker. Veracruz prices start just below $27,000, but run up to $38,000 for the limited version.